Hello, everyone. Good evening, and I'm back with another update for Tronquest. This smart contract, it hasn't been around for a long time, but it's still hanging in there, and I just wanted to give you an update on my progress. Just to give you a recap, if you're not familiar with this smart contract, you can earn up to 250% return on investment. They have a low rate, but I've said in the past, sometimes slow and steady wins the race. Just to let you know, the 250%, I believe it includes your initial investment. Don't quote me on that. But right now they have a total of 284 members that are currently investing. They have total deposits of 866,965 TRX. That's a total of 428 deposits. The current contract balance is 366,368 TRX. Currently, it's paying at 1.5% daily. It's been online 36 days. So that is very interesting. So let's see if we can go to the smart contract on TronScan. Looks like they keep a tally of how much people are investing, which is just nice to see as an added touch. And let's see. Where can I find the oh, it's right here. The just to verify their numbers from TronScan. Okay, so here we go. 366, 368. And so that's the equivalent of 26,437 US dollars. So you might be saying to yourself, well, that's not a whole lot. But what I've actually been observing over the last couple of days is that there's a lot of contracts that they'll balloon in the first 5 days, and it'll say it has 100,000, 200,000 equivalent of US dollars. And then by day 8 or 9, it's at 0. So you're earning if you're like a top investor. So with contracts that have a more reasonable balance and it's growing steadily, that's a pretty good thing, I think. And so that's something that you guys should look at and be cognizant of. I like to invest in the whole gamut, so I'll try most of them out at least once. And there was one I was reviewing yesterday. I clicked deposit a couple of times and nothing happened. So as my guest speaker suggested, that if it's not working, don't try to force it. So we didn't actually make an investment in that one. So, but we're going to look at how we're progressing so far. So just to let you know, the initial investment here was 3,000 TRX. And we put 50% as a referral back percentage. And I'm assuming that every time there's referral income that's coming in, that it goes back to the people that clicked on the link. So it's distributed to people that support us. And I don't mind that at all. I really don't. Okay. So right now we have 410.97 TRX that's able to be withdrawn. And I'll just show you what we've been doing so far. The initial deposit was 3,000. Every time we withdrew, we put back in 150 TRX. And so I think that's what we're going to do again. let's do that. So we're gonna, let's switch this to withdraw. And I think I've been trying to do like even numbers. So I'm gonna do 400. We're going to accept that. Let's click on the wallet and make sure that happened. So 400. And then what we're going to do is deposit. Let's deposit 150 again. And I know you're wondering if you're withdrawing, why not withdraw all of it and just keep it? Well, for most smart contracts to have longevity, when you do withdraw, you should, well, I won't say you have to. What I like to do is reinvest. So because I've earned at least half of what was put in, the contract is going to last if you are reinvesting. And so generally, contracts, they are written to last 30, 60, 90, 120, 360 days. We don't know how long they will last, but what I can tell you is that if the majority of the participants are withdrawing and reinvesting some portion of their profits, that can and it may extend the life of the contract overall for everyone. So not telling you what to do, but just letting you know that that's a way that a community can grow overall. And I'll leave it at that. So just wanted you to know again that Tronquest seems like a viable smart contract that you might want to just check out. As I like to tell you in all my videos, do your homework, do some Googling on and watch some YouTube videos, and only invest what you can afford to lose, because some or all of your investment may be at risk, period. So you all know that. I will be back with another update for this smart contract in about 4 to 5 days. And until then, I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.